In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to upload HTML on Brevo CRM. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to app.brevo.com. I'll also put a link to that down in the description below. But from here you'll need to sign into your account or sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Now from here it should bring something like this once you get into the dashboard. And then from here you'll need to go over to the left hand corner and go over to marketing. Once from here it should bring something like this where you can see at the bottom here you'll see templates. And once you click on that, it should bring something like this where you can see an overview of all of your email templates. From here you'll simply need to go up to the right hand corner and click create template, and from here it should bring something like this where I can either choose the email template or a push template. This depends on if you have the pro version or the free version of Brevo. From here you'll simply need to click email or push depending on what type of one you want. From here you'll need to add in your sender email, your sender name, the subject line for your email, and previous text. Once from here you'll need to go over to where it says content, and from here you'll need to click add content. Now from here you can see all of your saved templates right here. If you go up to this black icon called create from scratch, you'll be able to either drag and drop editor, you can use the symbol editor, or down here you can use the HTML custom code. From here you simply need to click HTML custom code, and from here this page should be popping up. And here you can paste in your HTML code inside of Brevo and then click save and quit. Once from here, once it's done, you will simply need to click save and activate, and then you will be able to upload and import HTML inside of Brevo CRM. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!